Welcome back to Make Play Treasure. Today is the first day of our Christmas countdown, 25 days to Christmas. And so today's story is The Bulldozer's Christmas Dig by Candace Fleming and Eric Roman. It was Christmas Eve and Dump Truck was carrying. Digger Truck was stringing. Crane Truck was lifting. And Bulldozer was worrying. He didn't have any presents for his friends, not one. What could he do? Looking out across the construction site, he saw a tire half buried in the snow. Bulldozer said to himself. I wonder what other treasures are under there. His blade rose. He scooted across the snow. Now this looks like a place to dig, Bulldozer exclaimed. Scrape. Thunk! Treasure, whooped Bulldozer. But when he shoveled it out, all he saw was junk, grumbled Bulldozer. Tossing it aside, he kept on digging. Scrape. Thunk thud. Treasure? Hoped Bulldozer. More junk, he muttered. Tossing it aside, he kept on digging. Scrape. Thunk crunch. Please be treasure, begged Bulldozer. But yet again, when he shoveled it up, all he saw was... Ugh, Bulldozer sighed. Maybe there was no treasure, but if there wasn't any treasure, what would he give his friends? He kept digging. Scrape. The pile kept growing. Scrape. It began to grow dark. Scrape. Bulldozer's hopes faded. He dragged himself out of his hole. He stared at the pile of junk and his blade dropped. No Christmas treasure. No presents for my friends. Then, through the swirling, whirling, twinkling snowflakes, he thought he saw. Was it? Could it be? He sat, smoke puffing from his stack for a moment. Then he packed the pile this way. He poked the pile this way. He pushed it that way. He gave it a teensy nudge. At last he paused and looked at his work. Said Bulldozer. It needs one more thing. He scooted across the snow. His motor hummed a holiday song. It was snowing hard when the big trucks bumped over to where Bulldozer worked. It's quitting time, boomed Dump Truck. Just one more minute, said Bulldozer. It's getting dark, rattled Scraper. And I'm getting cold, clattered Grader. Bulldozer kept working. And it's Christmas Eve, clanged Crane. It's... Bulldozer moved aside. Wonderful. For us, rattled Cement Mixer. It's for all of you, said Bulldozer. Now that's a present to Treasure Kid, rumbled Roller Truck. But wait, said Bulldozer. It still needs one last touch. Oh, little wreath. Merry Christmas. And Merry Christmas to you guys. 24 more days, I guess, since it's day 1. We want to say Merry Christmas, and we hope you'll join us for many more of these Christmas stories. And remember to subscribe and like. See you next time.